3 games. I've gotten some great line hits on this. So I'm playing 30 lines times 10 credits on 2 cent denom, so it's a $6 bet. So let's hope she pays. No, come on, why not? Mean, come on. Oh, man. Oh, nothing. Alright. That should be okay. Ham and cheese toasty. Coke. It's just a pity it's low-paying symbols. Not a bad. I've got one more game. I really need either a re-trigger or the nuggets. That's what they're up to. Come on, nuggets. Oh, that was not nice. 141 on a $6 bet. It's not that great. This is what I mean about the line hits. I've been getting lots of those. Come on. Oh. 2 more. Yes. Thank you. Yes. Alright. So I've got 3 minis. Just my bet. Double my bet. Please, can I get a major? Or a blue one? Come on, baby. Anything. I could see the blue one going by. Oh, man. Come on, anything. Anything, baby. Thank you. Another mini. Anything at all. Come on. Yes, another mini. That's not bad. It's $100 in minis alone. Come on, baby. Anything. That was showing a $60 one, which means it's 120. Come on. Anything. Come on, baby. Thank you. Come on, anything. Come on, anything at all, baby. Come on, save it. No. That's okay. I mean, it's a good bonus, but for a $6 bet, it's not that great. But I'll take it every day of the week. Considering I've only put a 50 in here, I'm happy with that. $154. I'll take it. Alright. Come on, one more. Alright, let's just do this. Two more. Yes. $100. another 100. Come on, baby. Alright, come on. Save it, baby, save it. No. Good enough, though. Nice. $2.90. Very nice. Let's do a few backup spins. That's not bad. That's not bad at all. Nice, 31 bucks. Alright. Okay, well, 50 bucks in, 600 out. For me, that's very good. Thanks for watching, guys. Right, so I'm playing 40 lines times 5 credits, so it's a $2 bet on 1 cent denom. This has absolutely no volume, so there's nothing to hear. Nothing. But it's only that blocked me. That blocked me big time. Big time blocked. That's a good pay. Come on. Oh, you're mean. Mean, 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 mean. Yes, I got it. Alright. So I've got 2 6s and the rest are just my bet. It's not bad. Not great, but it's not bad either. Come on. Be nice. Nothing? Okay, 1 plus 1 game. Oh, nice. Look at that. I got a nice 10 and I got a 6. And 2 free games. That's not bad. Another 10. Come on. Oh, meanness. Mini. Four and a 2. Ooh. If I can get one more, I'll get the lantern thing. I'll trigger the lucky lantern. Come on, one more, please. Oh, so mean. Alright, that's not bad. I mean, I'm not complaining. I'm not complaining in the slightest. Okay, that was mean. $89 on a $2 bet is pretty good. Alright, let's do it back up. Alright, I am going to do a quick hit and run with this one because I put 20 in and I can get that out. I'm happy. Thanks for watching, guys.